4 kilos of grain at 10 rupees a kilo, 6 kilos at 20, and an unknown mass X at 40, and the blend must land at 25 rupees a kilo. That is a 3-ingredient mixture. SSC CGL Quant loves this shape. More than 2 rates, 1 blank quantity, 1 target mean. By the end, you will choose the first move. Write the weighted average equation when the mean and all but 1 quantity are known, or alligate pairwise only when you truly need a ratio. Then solve and check without inventing a useless intermediate mean. Alligation's cross is built for 2 inputs at a time, cheaper, dearer, and a mean between them. With 3 or more ingredient rates, that 2-wink bookkeeping is incomplete. You either invent intermediate means and chain crosses, or you write the definition of the mixture mean as 1 weighted average equation. The idea first. The mean is total value over total mass. Prefer the weighted average equation when the mean and all but 1 quantity are known. 1 equation in 1 unknown finishes it. Write M equals open parenthesis C1Q1 plus C2Q2 plus C3Q3 close parenthesis over Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, leave the blank mass as X, and solve. No intermediate mean to invent, and no second cross to undo. Use pairwise alligation when ratios are wanted. Mix 2 ingredients to an intermediate mean you are free to choose, then alligate that mean against the third. That path needs an extra choice and usually undoes itself when the exam already handed you the final mean and 1 blank mass, so keep it for ratio questions, not for this blank mass shape. Here is the decision rule. If the exam gives the mean and all but 1 quantity, write the weighted average equation and solve for the blank. If the exam asks for a mix ratio among 3 strengths, then alligate pairwise, fix a mean, mix 2, then mix that result with the third. Choosing the method before touching the numbers is the speed advantage. Find X kg of rupee 40/kg grain, so 4 kg at rupee 10 and 6 kg at rupee 20, blend to rupee 25/kg. Total value equals 4 times 10 plus 6 times 20 plus 40x. This gives 160 plus 40x. Total value equals 4 times 10 plus 6 times 20 plus 40x. This gives 160 plus 40x. Total mass equals 4 plus 6 plus x. This gives 10 plus x. Now open parenthesis, 160 plus 40x close parenthesis over open parenthesis, 10 plus x close parenthesis equals 25. This gives the mean equation. Now 160 plus 40x equals 250 plus 25x, so 15x equals 90. This gives x equals 6 kilograms. The result is x equals 6 kg. The trap, pairwise alligation would invent an intermediate mean and then undo it. The equation is just the definition of mean with 1 blank. The exam trap is simple. Checking 40 plus 120 plus 240 over 16 equals 400 over 16 equals 25. The equation is just the definition of mean with 1 blank. Pairwise alligation would invent an intermediate mean and then undo it. That is wasted time when the final mean is already given. Fresh numbers, 2 kg at rupee 20/kg, 3 kg at rupee 30/kg, and 5 kg at rupee 40/kg are mixed. What is the mean rate? The answer is rupee 33/kg. Because 40 plus 90 plus 200 over 10 equals 330 over 10 equals 33. Rupee 30 is the plain average of 20, 30, and 40. Rupee 36 weights them as if the dearest bag were larger than it is. For 3 or more ingredients, name the rates and masses, then choose write the weighted average equation when the mean and all but one quantity are known, or alligate pairwise only when ratios are wanted. Compute, then check total value over total mass. Comment below with one step that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the next mixture follow-up lands in your feed. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill mixture problems while this is fresh.